And here is the finished product of my Paracord cutting machine for the Pigtail Wedge. You have the 12-volt power supply, puts power into these two voltage regulators, bringing it down to 6 volts. One of them goes to this motor driver, which drives this stepper motor right here in the front. That's what will drive this gear to make the paracord shoot through the shaft. The other voltage regulator puts 6 volts to this servo motor here, which will make the hot knife go up and down to cut the paracord as it is spit out 13 inches. I've got it programmed for this to spin 501 times, which by the circumference of this circle, that will give me 13 inches of paracord. And then the blade will come down to cut it. It will wait a few seconds because this is hot, and it'll fuse back together if you don't wait. Then the motor will spin again, pushing the first one out of the tube, getting the next one lined up. Then the blade will come down and cut it, and then repeat the process. All through that Arduino back here, the microcontroller that I've programmed. So let me show you how it works. Paracord feeds in one side, and it'll spin, spitting out 13 inches. Then the blade will cut it, and it'll repeat the process over and over and over until I turn it off, or until you run out of cord. And I buy my paracord in 1,000-foot rolls, so it should make about 900 or so paracords non-stop. And that is my paracord cutting machine, almost ready to go. All I gotta do is change this blade, this tip on the iron, from a straight point tip to more of a flat tip, so it has more cutting surface to cut through the paracord. And that's my lanyard cutting machine.